Prograd exposed. Is it a scam or a legit way to make some money? I've been seeing tons of ads lately for Prograd.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you the best way to make money online. I started off by using a tool called Prograd.
On Prograd, so check them out.
I found a free site called Prograd. You really need to check it out if you haven't heard of it.
Some even claiming that you can make up to £300 a week. But is it legit or is it just another overhyped platform? Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. I've made more than £50,000 through platforms and passive income apps. Let's see how Prograd holds up. What is Prograd? Prograd is a UK based app for Gen Z and young adults that combines simple earning tasks with financial education. But behind the flashy design, it's really just another get paid to platform like swagbucks or freecash. On Prograd, you can make money through 4 different types of tasks. They are playing mobile games, completing surveys, earning cashback from offers, and finally signing up for free trials. But here's the truth about each one. Game offers. The game offers on Prograd are poorly paid and not the best. There are a wide range of different offers available on Prograd which are available elsewhere. For example, Monopoly Go on freecash pays around £220, but that same offer on Prograd only pays £118. That's over £100 difference by just using it as a separate site. It gets worse for Prograd though. The time frame to actually complete these offers are even tighter, so you have to grind out more to even earn money on Prograd compared to their competitors.
I'll ignore that, Catherine Ann.
Surveys. This section is really bad. Surveys on Prograd are basically just referral links. Prograd does not actually offer its own surveys or offer any survey panels. Instead, you'll find links pushing you to third-party survey sites like swagbucks and freecash, all to gain that commission. When trying to actually earn from these surveys, one offer actually made me do the following to even earn a considerable amount of money. I had to sign up, I had to start an offer, I had to make an in-app purchase, and then I had to make a second or even a third purchase to even earn decently well on this platform. I find surveys are not worth the effort, especially when you can just go and sign up for freecash and swagbucks and just earn directly instead of having to sign up on multiple platforms. There's less hoops. When Prograd sends you over to these third-party survey sites, they'll be using a referral link so they make a commission from it. Hey everyone, Dan from the future here. So I'm just jumping in because Prograd has finally added their own surveys to the platform. Exciting, right? Well, kinda. There's a few things you need to know. Normally when it comes to surveys, the amount you will get paid is heavily dependent on the platform you're using, as well as the niche that survey is linked to. The thing is, Prograd does things a little bit different. Instead of paying based on the provider or the individual survey, Prograd rewards you based on how many surveys you've actually completed. You will earn just 11p for the first survey you complete on Prograd, and as you complete more and more surveys, the amount you earn will slowly increase, up to £5.68 for the 20th survey you complete. Here's the catch with a system like this. Prograd is not giving you any information on that survey, so you'll never know how long it's going to take to complete, and finally you'll never know its real worth. A big limitation to Prograd surveys, at the current time of recording, you are limited to doing 20 surveys across your account's lifetime. So once you hit that cap, you are done. I did the math and the most money you could make from these 20 surveys is £11.89. That averages out to around 59p per survey. It's definitely not worth doing. Honestly though, if you are serious about making money from surveys, skip these, use a platform like 5 Surveys because they offer a guaranteed £1 per survey, they're transparent on how long that survey is going to take, you're going to be better off there. Also, if you are wanting to take surveys a little bit seriously, I've actually got a full video up here and that showcases how you can qualify for every single survey you complete, so it's definitely worth watching. Cashback. So, Prograd does actually offer cashback, but it's not real cashback. Again, these are just referral links. You're doing the work, you're signing up for these offers and you're completing them, and then Prograd collects a commission. There's nothing wrong with that, and this is not real cashback. You are not getting cashback on your purchases. You're getting cash back from completing welcome offers. It's like they're packaging up the same content over and over again and not adding any value.
Oh, you can't polish a turd.
Free trials. The only decent option out of everything Prograd offers is the free trials. These deals are straightforward. You sign up for a trial, you follow the instructions, and you get rewarded. It's that simple. There's no tricks, there's no crazy time limits, and there's nothing misleading here. And that's what I like about it. So if you are going to do anything, focus on the free trials. There are 2 additional ways to earn on Prograd which you need to know about. Let's get into it. Free spins. On Prograd there's a daily free wheel, but don't get too excited about it. I've actually never won any points from this wheel. But what did I win? So I won an offer boost for free cash, which is fine, but it does expire really quickly. That means I need to complete the full welcome offer for free cash to actually earn this boost in a short time frame, which is really difficult to do, and they are prompting you to complete this action as soon as possible, and I don't like that. Learn and earn. On Prograd, there's a learn and earn section of the app where you can learn and earn about crypto and earn some easy cash. It starts off really promising. You answer a few questions about crypto trivia and you're supposed to earn $4. Great. But after completing the quiz and being promised my $4, I was told I had to sign up for Coinbase and deposit £10 just to claim my earnings. You know what? This actually really leaves a bad taste in my mouth. The fact that they're asking us to sign up for Coinbase just to claim this money they promised us at the start of the quiz. Cashing out. On Prograd you can cash out via PayPal starting at $5, which is decent, but actually earning that $5 is pretty much impossible and will take you too long to earn. So is it worthwhile? So Prograd is definitely not worth using. The game offers pay less than what you would get on free cash, so you're already starting at a disadvantage. Prograd might look slick at first, but once you try it, most of the ways you earn are significantly lower, confusing, and just clever referral traps. The service and cashback offered on Prograd aren't real. They're set up so that Prograd can get paid and not you. Even the parts that seem promising, like the earn and learn section of the platform with the crypto quiz, turned out to be a waste of time. If you are looking to make money online, do not bother with Prograd. There's so many other better options out there like swagbucks, freecash to name a few. On those 2 platforms alone, I've made over £9,000 in the last few years. No tricks, just real cash payouts. My one tip, skip Prograd and go to where the actual money is. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
Still, as I said all along, you can't polish a turd.